I'm Thomas Bickham, and today in this short documentary I'll be taking you around this wonderful town of Farnborough, and I will show you what plastic pollution has done to it and this amazing environment. See? Look at this right here. A Coke bottle with a recycling bin just over there. Now I'm in Rushmore Borough Council. I'm here interviewing Julie Mundy. Yeah. And just the first question here, what is your role within the Rushmore Council?
Well, I'm a recycling support officer, which means that I look after the waste contract. I also do education in schools, in community groups and that sort of thing. And I also train the bin men on what they're supposed to be collecting and what they're not supposed to be collecting.
Okay, that's... So you train the bin men?
The idea is that we advise them on what is good to take, what is good recycling and what's not good recycling.
Okay. And can you explain what good recycling is?
At the moment, all councils collect slightly different things, and it's what we can actually find an ongoing market for. So it's no good as collecting, for example, margarine tubs, because there's not an actual market for that sort of plastic. Good recycling is always clean, always dry, and loose, so that it can be sorted well. And we're collecting it from the main components, which is cardboard, paper, tins, cans, aerosols and plastic bottles, because they stand a good chance of being recycled.
Okay. And how much plastic litter do you really see in like Rushmore?
We don't see a lot of actual plastic litter as such. We are very on top of that sort of thing. If there is a spillage of bins, a spillage of anything like that, as long as it's reported to us quite quickly, we go out the same day.
That actually answers my next question, which is fantastic. And do you have any tips for people trying to be more environmentally conscious, or just trying to recycle better?
There's lots of really innovative ideas there that avoid single-use plastics. There's a whole range of things that we've got at the moment. If people were going to do one thing, I would say avoid things like straws, even the paper straws, or disposable cutlery, that sort of thing. If you can just make one simple little change, it really makes a lot of difference.
Okay. And what is like the most common thing you see recycled that can't really be recycled?
Plastic bags, definitely plastic bags. Bin liners, and people think they're being neat and tidy, or just for convenience are taking it out there.
So how would you suggest for the general public to recycle normally?
Always make sure it's loose in the bin. I mean, what happens to bagged recycling, unfortunately, is when it gets to the production line of where everything goes in the sorting facility, anything that's in a bag, they don't know what's in it. So it could have sharps in it, broken glass, dirt, so it's just taken off the line. And unfortunately, that would be classed as rubbish, and it makes it a very costly process.
Okay, and I think that's all the questions we really have today.
Okay.
It's World Environment Day. Maybe just take a few extra seconds to think about what plastic does to this planet, and maybe also take the extra 2 seconds to put it inside of the recycling.